Hello there. How are you? I'm so happy you joined me for this episode. This is Day in the Life of a Doctor. It's a video blog, and this is a special one that you will not find anywhere else because I'm an emergency physician. All the other doctors out there, they're radiology, family medicine, orthopedics, etc. So this is a blog about the ACEP 2021. ACEP is American College of Emergency Physicians conference that is done annually, where you have people from all over the country and the world, and they get here, well, in different states. This time is in Boston, but in different states, and you have many lecture conferences, simulation practices, you have many pharmaceutical companies, vendors, there's recruiting dinners for future job applicants, etc. It's very interesting. And the best part is that when you're training in your residency, there's educational stipends that you can use to pay for these things, and it'll be free. So if you don't use it, it's just going to go to waste. So I was thankful to be able to come. Something I also wanted to mention before we get going is that everyone is vaccinated. Everyone has to show proof of vaccine. Here on this side, I'll probably put a little segment of a video that there's an application they have to fill out daily, and it will give you then a pass that you have to show, and they'll give you a different color sticker for that day saying that you completed your daily health screening, and it's very cool. I think you should totally watch the whole video. Every part of it is very fun, educational, and very interesting, okay? And it may motivate you to pursue maybe a career in medicine, do something like this, and it's really cool, okay? Enjoy. So join me, and we'll go to Boston. Let's do it. So I'm sure you can hear me because I'm using the headphones, but I am in Newark Airport, and I'm gonna go to Boston. My flight leaves at 9:50 a.m. So I actually just saw Dina leave. She left to San Francisco, yes, at 7 a.m. We're tired. We actually did not sleep much at all. We started on our train / shuttles literally today at 1:44 a.m. So this is gonna be a blog, as I said earlier, on my ACEP conference, American College of Emergency Physicians conference. Enjoy.
Following a few simple guidelines. First,
all right, everyone, made it to beautiful Boston area. So nice. Now I'm walking to the hotel. I'll show you when I get there.
Is that what's facing you? What?
All right. Nothing crazy. Nice spacious bed. TV. Desk, I can do my business. Decent view. This is it. The room.
Three hours later.
So it seems that's the place we're going to eat, Fox and the Knife. I'll let you know how it is. But I'm here in Boston area. Okay, there's churches back there. So I'm gonna get a coffee because I'm sleepy. I just woke up. The only place open is Starbucks, so that's what I'm gonna get. All right. Never mind. They close at 5 p.m. I don't know why. So yeah, apparently there's no coffee anywhere. Yes, of course, I met up with people. That's James, super doctor. Liz, she's our boss. And Tim, he knows everything about finances. So we're just here gonna eat something. Good morning. So first day of conference, I think right now is around 7:20 a.m. This is my outfit for today. So bad thing is that outside it's raining. Let me show you. That's the view. Apparently it's raining a lot. You probably can't see it. But thank God the convention center is like 3 minutes away. I will see. For now, I'll go find some breakfast and coffee. Just wanted to show you guys that it looks like a mini convention, like an anime convention or a video game convention, however, full of big pharma companies, like a mini Tokyo. So I'm walking, it was raining, not ideal, but I'm walking to the registration area right now. So it's pretty far, but it's been good. I have some coffee now, and I'll show you more around later. This is kind of cool. This is day in the life of emergency physician at ACEP. So we'll keep following the crowd. How you doing, guys? So I wanted to show you around. I'm at the convention. So obviously everybody is wearing their masks. You have to get a sticker that's green saying that you're vaccinated because you had to show proof on a specific application that I spoke to about earlier, that you have to register daily, explaining you have no symptoms, stuff like that. So you'll register here. There's some coffee over there. And I just finished a talk on how to grow your wealth and longevity in medicine, which was very interesting. So that's kind of cool. So I think we're gonna take a break soon, and then I have another conference at 12 at noon. There's a lot of big pharma here trying to sell you stuff, but this is cool. This is some of the little things you get to enjoy. You maybe as a resident, when you have an educational fund that pays for you to go to conferences and learn things about your specialty, which is very helpful. And if you don't spend that money, it goes to waste anyways. So you should spend it. All right. Ciao. All right, I put on my headphones, that way you can hear me when I talk. So I am here in the area of all the vendors. There's different things going on. So there's different companies obviously advertising different machines, different products. Obviously, they always try to sell you stuff. You know, there's little ultrasound machines with blood vessels. They just gave us like a proof, or like, I don't know, certain tourniquets for the fingers so you could do a bloodless inspection and repair of like a laceration in your finger. I don't know, there's a lot of cool stuff. That's it. So we'll just go around, pick up different free stuff. That's it. Hey, so I wanted to give you like a first person point of view, it's kind of cool. We have this glasses for physicians to do microsurgery, stuff like that. Then we walk in. There's different things, CT scans, quality, different stuff for CPR, you know? So it's kind of cool. All these people will be in video. I think that's fine. This is an open space. They know that. All free stuff, really cool. First person point of view. Everybody obviously has their mask, they're all vaccinated, etc. Let me look around, maybe I get something free. What is this? What are they giving free? Ice cream? What are they getting? I don't know, they're giving something, so I'm gonna wait in line. There's a bookstore. There's a machine for breathing at night. High flow nasal cannulas. It's really cool. All right, that's it. My first person, it's done. Hey guys, me again. So kind of cool. I did get like a aquarium private thing with some physician group. So I'm gonna go to the aquarium tomorrow. So that's kind of cool. And we'll go with all the other residents. But mostly this is what it is. This is always here, and then you have different conferences throughout the day. I have my next one at 12:30. Going back to the hotel on a rainy day. So there's a fancier type of event slash dinner. It's like a kick-off dinner. And I don't know if I forgot to mention earlier, but this is a 4-day thing, or 25 days. Yeah, like a 4-day thing, okay? So it's 4 days paid for by educational stipend. So this is like a whole nice area. Good morning. Rainy day. So I'm going to do a light workout and do my push-ups. Hello my friends. So I just had an MRI of my brain and there is no tumor there, no big mass or anything. So I'll probably put pictures and like on the side of this video. But I'm so happy. I always wanted to know that because I see a lot of patients, young, just drop dead or have a brain bleed, a tumor. So I just wanted to make sure I didn't have one, and I don't. So, good stuff. So, good morning guys. Last day of conference. I'm going to a conference about patients that are DC that present to the emergency room. And you know, it could be sometimes complicated. Is it just lightheadedness? Is it vertigo? Is it peripheral vertigo? Central vertigo? It could be a stroke, many things. So I'll show you. And yesterday pretty much the same. Conferences. I did have steak dinner. Maybe I'll put a picture of my steak somewhere here on this part of the video. And more conferences today, and I do leave back to New York around 7 p.m. Okay? Ciao. Oh, I just came by to visit my good friend that you might have seen on that other video. I'll put like a car over there, like a picture here. My friend, Dr. Zamor, who's does anesthesiology. So I'm just gonna say hello, and then from here I will take the train to the airport. But I was nearby, 10 minutes away, so we'll see. Hopefully I can meet him. He's busy. In between cases, he may come out and I'll say hello to him. All right, but today was the last day of conference. I went to a couple, very interesting. But I'm glad you got to enjoy pieces of this entire blog and stuff like that. Look at this, look at this. All right, ciao. All right, thank you for making it this long somehow. If you managed to make it this long, I hope you are enjoying it. Thank you so much. The conference was great. I enjoyed a lot of free food, and I did make very good connections for possible jobs. So I'm most likely, I do have a job. I need to just finish up some paperwork, some negotiations, and then it should be all good. So I'm very thankful. It was an amazing experience. I hope you enjoy. You got to see little glimpses of what I was going through. And I did get to see my brother from another mother, Waldo Zamor, as you saw earlier. Put a picture here or something. And I do have a video with him. I'll probably put a card up there.
Working hard,
okay?
always.
So I don't know. If you're watching this, thank you for watching. You know, if not, hopefully I'm not just speaking to myself and no one cares what I'm saying. Like the video, share if you think this was useful, interesting, or it motivated you in any way. Adios.